Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best OBD2 scanner you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best OBD2 scanner in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner. The Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner may be the finest OBD2 scanner for you if your primary need for an OBD2 diagnostic tool is to review DTC codes. The tiny design includes a 2.8-inch LCD color screen and a fast data report loading time. In addition to pulling manufacturer-specific OBD2 codes, the I am readiness button in the scanner center performs a quick emissions test. The USB cable can also be used by Windows users to transfer data from the scanner to their computers. The NT301 OBD2 scanner enables you to read DTCs, locate BAD02 sensors, access to emissions readiness status, turn off check engine light or MIL, reset monitor, read live data and retrieve VIN of your vehicle. Live data graphing and logging. Accurately read error codes for most worldwide cars, SUVs, light trucks and 12 volts diesels equipped with OBD2. Graphing live vehicle sensors data allows you to focus on any suspicious data and trend. Codes analysis and printer compatible. Unique patented design, 2.8-inch color screen, free lifetime update and 1-year seller assurance with exclusive tech and service team. For details, let's watch more. Our second best OBD2 scanner is BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scanner. A smartphone-based diagnostics test is performed with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool. Because the maker supplies routine software updates for a free mobile app that works with Android smartphones and Apple iPhones, we chose this as the finest Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. To understand the problem with your vehicle, you need the complete picture. With an up-to-date modern scan tool, you scan deeper to read, understand, and clear more codes. Access information normally only available to professional mechanics on their most expensive scan tools. Get unlimited vehicle-specific repair reports, generated from our database of millions of fixes verified by professional automotive technicians. Save time and money. All the capabilities of an expensive scan tool, extended vehicle coverage, live data, etc. combined with the power and convenience of your smartphone or tablet. No cords, no subscriptions, and regular free updates. View live data and monitor your vehicle's health in real time. Configure the data sources, customize your view with various displays and colors, and log and export live data as a file. You can also perform a smog test with this scanner, and it will recommend possible repairs for specific codes. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Autel MaxiCOM MK808 OBD2 scanner. If you are an experienced DIYer who is good at fixing cars, or a professional mechanic in the area of automotive repairs, you should come across one of the best pro-level diagnostic scanners, Autel MaxiCOM MK808. The tablet scan tool is affordable and within reach for you to get basic and advanced repairs done on modern cars effectively, to deal with pretty much every auto repair scenario you can think of. Autel Scanner MaxiCOM MK808, one of the most versatile OBD2 diagnostic scan tool in the market, is an ideal choice for car shop owners and professional mechanics. With its advanced 25+ hot service functions including oil reset, SAS calibration, odometer, MO keys, ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, DPF regeneration, etc., and still growing, Autel MK808 ranks top in professional automotive scanners. Autel MK808 works well on 80+ car makes and models worldwide, to read or clear codes, view live data for all available systems using the supported protocols. The detailed report reveals the exact nature of the problem, with possible fixes to help greatly plan the budget for repairs. Each time you lose the key, Autel MaxiCOM MK808 can add the new key and remotely disable the lost one. Only available for Asian vehicles with low-grade anti-theft systems. Skip those often very expensive OI-level scanners, the affordable MK808 presents a rich bag of features for you to enjoy. The AutoVin technology can straightforwardly get detailed info of the car, ranging from engine type to where it was manufactured, with just a single touch. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Launch OBD2 Scanner. Because of its diagnostic capabilities and vast features for the price, the Launch CRP129E scan tool is our pick for the finest OBD2 scanner overall. You don't have to keep the car running to utilize its 5.0-inch touchscreen because it has an internal battery. In addition, you can graph live data, reset diagnostic issue codes, and run emissions testing. Launch CRP129E code reader built with large 5 inches touch HD screen, one-click Wi-Fi update, make you can use the newest software all-time free, battery voltage test, 6100 mAh rechargeable battery, AutoVin scan, automatic generate vehicle health report diagnostic report, data print via email share, Google search DTC online. Launch CRP129E diagnostic tool read and reset engine, transmission, ABS and SRS system, turn off the warning light related. Live data in graphing, record the live data stream for up to 10 simultaneous PIDs. Auto record diagnostic data, recorded data can be played back in text format and graph format. Playback supports 2 graphs or 4 PIDs graphed. This scan tool can do oil reset, steering angle calibration, electronic parking brake, TPMS reset, throttle position reset, performs real-time battery monitoring graphing. Reset DTC, IAM readiness status, O2 sensor test, evap test etc. All diagnostic data can be recorded and generate to diagnostic report which can be shared to email then print on the computer. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best OBD2 scanner list is Innova 5210 OBD2 scanner. The Innova 5210 is an impressive entry-level tool that provides high-end features like ABS and live data, thanks to its patented all-in-one color display. Large and easy to read with more than 20 pieces of information on a single screen. Get verified fixes, the exact part required for repair, maintenance schedules, technical service bulletins, recalls, and more. Empower yourself with the knowledge to fix your vehicle right the first time. Read and clear the check engine light with a single button. Diagnose the braking systems of most 1996 and newer domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. The 5210 OBD2 scanner helps you easily find the problem and fix the problem. Use the free mobile application Repair Solutions 2 on Apple App Store or Google Play for real-time solutions and fixes to your automotive issues. With this app, get verified fixes, find and purchase the exact part required for repair, view maintenance schedules, buy parts, receive technical bulletins, dealer and safety recalls, and access to Innova's best-in-class database. This car diagnostic tool empowers home mechanics, automotive enthusiasts, and service and repair technicians with professional-level functionality. It is a vehicle code reader that reads and clears OBD engine codes and displays all vehicle information from when a trouble code was triggered. This Innova scan tool supports English, Spanish, and French. For details, let's watch more.